Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can remotely retrieve calls or messages for your missing or lost Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now imagine this phone has now gone missing. Next, what you want to do is go to your computer or another mobile device, and you want to go to this website called findmymobile.samsung.com. On this web page, you tap on the sign in button, and then you need to sign into your Samsung account, the same account that you have logged into your Galaxy S21 series. And in here, we're going to sign into the device or into the account. And at the top part, it will show you a map of where about your current device is. At the bottom here, you can tap on this up arrow to expand up the menu. And then in here, you can tap on retrieve calls or messages. Now on the next page, it will ask you to put in a two-step verification code. So the code can either send to your mobile number. If that happens to be on your same missing device, you can see here on this device, it sent me a code. And sometimes because the device is not with you, so then you have no way of accessing that code. In that case, you can swipe down and tap on verify with backup code or verify with text message. Now you can see sometimes it is a good idea that you create a backup code so that in the event that your device has gone missing, then you can use that backup code to perform administrative tasks like this one. And I'm going to put in the code 292070 and then tap on verified. And that's it. So that's how you can remotely retrieve calls and messages for your missing Galaxy S21 device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And then here you can see on this screen, you can tap on retrieve and it will start to retrieve call and messages history.